Coconut water is the clear, refreshing liquid found inside young coconuts. Although often confused with coconut milk, these two fluids are distinct. Coconut milk is derived from grating the inner coconut flesh, blending it with hot water, and then straining it, whereas coconut water is naturally present within the young coconut. In recent times, coconut water has gained popularity among athletes as a healthier alternative to sugary sports beverages. It has also become a go-to remedy for individuals dealing with stomach bugs or severe dehydration. The key to the growing interest in coconut water lies in its rich electrolyte content, primarily potassium, calcium, and magnesium, offering a multitude of health benefits. Number 1. Sustaining muscle function. Potassium, an essential mineral and electrolyte, plays a crucial role in maintaining proper muscle function. The USDA analysis of one coconut water brand revealed a significant 401 milligrams of potassium in an 8-ounce serving. While potassium levels may vary among brands due to the coconut's age, coconut water consistently proves to be an excellent source of this vital nutrient. Adequate potassium intake is essential for muscle health. Number 2. Promoting bone health. Coconut water also contributes to bone health by providing approximately 19.2 milligrams of calcium in a 1-cup serving, as per USDA data. Many people fall short of their calcium requirements, which can lead to problems like low bone density, bone loss, and increased susceptibility to fractures. By incorporating coconut water into their diets, individuals can help maintain strong and healthy bones. Number 3. Regulating bodily functions. Additionally, coconut water contains around 6 milligrams of magnesium per 100 milliliters, as reported by the USDA. Magnesium plays a multifaceted role in the body, including protein synthesis, regulation of blood sugar and blood pressure, and management of muscle and nerve function. A magnesium deficiency can lead to symptoms like nausea, weakness, and fatigue. Fortunately, coconut water can help ensure your body receives an adequate supply of magnesium. Beyond these essential minerals, coconut water is also rich in other important electrolytes such as sodium, making it an effective hydrating choice. Nutritional content per serving. A 1-cup, 250 milliliters, serving of unsweetened coconut water offers the following nutritional values. Calories, 44. Protein, 0.5 grams. Fat, 0 grams. Carbohydrates, 10.4 grams. Fiber, 0 grams. Sugar, 9.6 grams. Considerations for consumption. While coconut water is generally considered safe to consume, there are a few considerations to keep in mind, especially if you have specific health conditions. Potassium limitations. Individuals with chronic kidney disease should monitor their potassium intake as excess potassium can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by dangerously high levels of potassium in the blood. Sodium concerns. Coconut water contains approximately 101 milligrams of sodium in an 8-ounce serving. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to elevated blood pressure, potentially leading to kidney and heart problems. Those on blood pressure medications should be cautious of their sodium intake. Caloric intake. An 8-ounce serving of coconut water contains between 45 and 60 calories. If you are on a low-calorie diet, you might want to opt for a different beverage. There are no strict guidelines for how much coconut water to consume. Some individuals enjoy 1 to 2 cups daily, while others reach for it after physical activity instead of traditional sports drinks. Incorporating coconut water into your diet. Here are a few creative ways to include coconut water in your diet. Smoothie base. Blend coconut water with your favorite fruits to create a delicious and hydrating smoothie. Refreshing beverage. Add a splash of pineapple juice to chilled coconut water for a tropical twist. Coconut water lemonade. Mix coconut water with lemon juice for a revitalizing homemade lemonade. Cooking substitute. Replace milk or cream with coconut water in your favorite curry recipes for a lighter, coconut-infused flavor. In conclusion, coconut water offers an array of health benefits, primarily due to its rich electrolyte content. Whether you're an athlete looking for a natural hydration source or simply seeking a nutritious addition to your diet, coconut water can be a delicious and revitalizing choice. Just remember to consume it in moderation and consider your specific dietary needs and restrictions.